guys, this is Val and welcome back for another video. What is on the menu for today? I'm gonna be doing some nice juicy ackee season rice. And I'm gonna stay with me, not stay with me, alright? Yes, so here are all my ingredients that I'm gonna be using to make my nice juicy ackee season rice. Here I have ackee. This is the season that I'm gonna use to cook my ackee, to boil my ackee. So I have scallion and thyme and some pimento seeds. Here is the saltfish that I've soaked from overnight that I'm gonna clean and wash out. Coconut. I'm gonna grate on my coconut and blend it here. These are the seasoning that I'm gonna use to cook up my ackee as usual. Scallion and I'm not sure about the time, but I'm gonna use scallion, onion, sweet pepper, garlic, and tomato. You know, normally when I'm doing my season rice, I would put pumpkin in it, but I'm not using any pumpkin. They're just the ackee and the saltfish. We have to have a little black pepper to flavor our pot. Oh, we done the pimento seed to boil the ackee already, so that is out. I need a little butter and some salt, you know, to put in the rice when I'm cooking up my rice. So yeah, that is it for now. So I have some water. Oh, the rice, oh my god guys, I remember the rice. You ever see anything like that? And I have some rice, yeah. So I have some water on the fire to cook the ackee, but we have to get our coconut together. Cut it up. Wash it already. Everything is nicely washed already. Yeah, just cut up and blend. No, you don't have to go through the process of doing it like this, you know. With the coconut, you can use any coconut you have. You have the packed coconut powder, you have the tin coconut, you still can use it. And use any coconut you have. You have the powder or you have the one in the tin, you can use it, because I do that sometimes. Sometimes I cannot bother, you know, to go through the process of grating the coconut, box up the coconut and all that. So I just grab a pack of coconut. Most of the time I don't use the tin one, you know, I just use the powder one, you know, yeah. And it tastes good same way, but something I just want the authentic, the more authentic taste. Yeah, if you know what I mean. You understand? Yeah, so just do what you have. Use what you have. Season it up nice. And you think we're good, man. Yeah. So I have some water. So I'm just gonna go now and put the ackee to cook. you know, if you season your pot nice, and I don't care what you're cooking, season your pot nice, you know, you won't regret it. If you're cooking a tin of mackerel, anything, yes. It's not all the time I put tomato in my rice, you know, seasoned rice, but I put it some today. Tomato is not a must here. So I'm gonna start cooking up my ackee and my saltfish. Don't done up for cooking oil. See, gotta see a small amount of cooking oil. I don't want my rice to be too oily. So I'm gonna try to use a small amount. Normally if I'm just cooking normal ackee and saltfish, I would use more oil. But no. So I'm gonna just cover this and let the ackee really let the saltfish get a nice flavor from the seasoning, and then I come and cook in the ackee. Alright. I can put in ackee now. This ackee is kind of soft outside, you know. So I don't want it to mash out too much, so I'm not gonna stir it too much. Right? Let me put some of this ackee and saltfish. Put in my coconut milk at this point. Coconut milk to cook the rice, you know. After taste, when it comes to a boil, anything, it boil for a little bit, I'm going to taste and put in the rice, alright? Yeah. So we can taste now. want a little bit more. Black pepper. 2 tips of salt. I have to make sure so it tastes nice. Yeah? Just a little bit. But you can put rice, you understand? So I have to make sure so the coconut milk with the right flavor. Right? From all the ingredients. So make sure of that. Alright. Oh boy. So I know the coconut milk stand up. A little pinch of salt goes a long way, you know. See, man. So wash my rice. So I put it in the rice now. And I'm using brown rice. Then I get away from the white rice. Alright. Coconut milk nice. Whenever you take milk, I'm not butter. I'm not putting the butter. The coconut milk does it all. If I was using the coconut powder or the thin one, yes. But this don't need any butter. Because look at it. Look at the custard. Yes. But alright, now we don't need any butter. Alright, but it tastes good. This pot cover, the pot closing, and I tell you, say, the aroma that is coming from this smell like natural coconut oil. If you know coconut oil smell, I saw the something smell nice. Oh gosh. So maybe just kind of give it a little fluff up. If you don't cook a little, like you want to steam some more, I'm going to put the ackee. Put in first of the cooked ackee. Oh boy. Just cover it down back and it's same. You see, I'm just fluff it up back again, combine everything together. Yes. Right. That's so good. I have some tomato for garnish. See? So there's some of the tomato that still stand up. Yeah, so we can just cover it back. 5 minutes and then we go to share a plate, alright? Let me show off. Just let I show you all the goodies. Oh my god. So this is ready. We can just turn on the stove. Turn off. Alright, so share a plate. Wow. This rice is not dry. It's just nice. You know, the coconut milk, oh my god, it gives such flavor. So much good flavor, nice flavor. I've come to the end of this video, guys. Yes, just give me a big fat thumbs up. Look at this beauty. Thanks again for watching, guys. And give me a subscribe to the channel so I won't miss out on all these lovely, beautiful, delicious, mouth-watering, simple and delicious meals. Alright? Give me a thumbs up, subscribe and turn on the bell. I'm gonna Thiis. Alright. The seasoned rice is so sweet. The coconut milk is everything. Anyway, thanks again for watching and see you all in the next video. Have a blessed and a wonderful day. And bye.